Hi friends, once again welcome back. This is regarding the new PF rule. As you can see on the screen, employee PF, that means if you are having any job in private or public organization, you might have a provident fund PF, and for the PF you are supposed to give nominee details. That means you have to nominate a person for your employee provident fund organization, and the deadline for the same is December 31st of 2021. So if you are not doing so, there is a probability that your PF might have some complications. I don't know what is the complication, but clearly they say that by December 31st of this year we will need to add nominee, or might be the PF process may be not smooth after that. So in this video I will clearly show you how to add your e-nomination, adding the e-nominee details online. And the same way you can also check whether e-nomination is already done or not, because some organization might have already done for you but you are not aware of this. Okay, so let us quickly see how this can be done online. So friends, first thing first, you are supposed to do this through UAN portal of government. I am giving this link in my video description. You can copy paste it in your laptop or computer and do it. One more thing I wanted to tell you is, if you try it in mobile, maybe it's not a good idea, because mobile all the pages are not getting loaded properly for this website. If you are trying in mobile, maybe you need to get the UAN Android or iPhone application. So I would suggest you to try this mechanism in a laptop or computer, because I am trying from a laptop. It didn't work well for me in the mobile. Okay, so and before that you are supposed to have two things for giving your e-nomination online. Okay, what are those things? One is the UAN number, 12-digit UAN number or of your EPF PF account, as well as a password. You are not having UAN number, you don't know how to get UAN number, please watch our previous video. The link is coming on top. You can click it and see how to get your UAN number. You can get it online itself. I have clearly given the method. So in this video I assume that you have the UAN number, and then we proceed with giving e-nomination online. So what is the procedure? First you are supposed to enter your UAN number, 12-digit number, and the password which you have already set. Please watch the previous video. You can know your UAN, or even you can activate your UAN. Above know your UAN, you have activate also. So I have activated, I have everything. I am giving the captcha and entering. You can see here, first page itself I get a warning saying that e-nomination is not yet done. Okay, you might also get this. You can click on file now option on the screen and proceed. I am just clicking later option, and because I wanted to show you some more things before going to file e-nomination. Okay, just click later here. There is an option view and manage. Under view you click on profile. This is the first option you have to do. Make sure your photo is uploaded. I am sure in most of the cases photo is not uploaded, because as I can see, no employer is going to upload your photo on EPF account. It's a very less chance. So please update your photo here, as well as your address and complete name. You verify it, your date of birth, gender, father's name. You can see here all your personal data. Okay, qualification, married or not, all these things are there here. I have commented out this because this is the personal information, as well as your photo should be there. If these things are not there online, you cannot file e-nomination. Before doing e-nomination, you are supposed to fill or upload these things. You have a button here, change photo, or if you have not even uploaded, you have a button like click there for upload your photo. Click it and upload your photo. Should be 200 KB. I will show you an online tool. If you are having a bigger photo, you can resize it to online itself to 200 KB. And after that, just mention all your personal details, whatever missing here. Everything should be up to date, because otherwise e-nomination will not work. Okay friends, please make sure your other details like your name, date of birth, gender, relation, and you can see here qualification, marital status, everything should be upfront right. Otherwise fill it here. Okay, so under view, I have already told you where it is. Under view you can click on personal information and fill these things before you go ahead with your nomination. Done. Next one, click under manage. under manage you are supposed to see here e-nomination. We are not going to click here. Before that, one more task is there. This is the nomination. Just click on KYC option. Under manage you have got an option KYC. This is also you are supposed to verify before giving e-nomination. All the three things status should be approved. So what are the three things? As you can see here, three things are here. What are those things are? One is your Aadhaar detail and your bank detail and your PAN detail. So basically, obviously your PAN or your PF is coming from your company or organization to this account, right? So that should be linked with your bank account number where you are receiving the PF amount, as well as your Aadhaar and PAN card, and the status should be shown as approved. Suppose any of this is missing, for example Aadhaar linking is missing, this is also going to create you a problem from January onwards. You might have problem with receiving amount in your PF account not with linked with Aadhaar. Okay, already the deadline was over, government had extended the deadline. So this is another very important task where under manage you are going to click KYC details and you are going to make sure these things are all approved. Only when you proceed with your e-nomination. Okay friends, I have done both of this, so that is the reason for me everything is showing as approved. Now let us continue. Both of the task is over. Your personal data is right, your bank Aadhaar and PAN details are right. Now again go under manage and click on e-nomination. So this is the real task you are going to do, but before that those two things should be perfect, otherwise e-nomination may not work. So let us see what is the first question. Having a family, yes, obviously that is the reason I am going to nominate. When you click yes, and now you are going to give Aadhaar number, name and stuff for your nominee. For example, you are filing maybe for your wife, add the address, name, date of birth, gender, relation, you can give it as wife, and address of your wife. If it is father, mother, you can give father and mother. And after that you are going to give the address. Please remember friends, address should be within 30 characters, otherwise error might come. And enter the bank details also here. And after that you can upload the photo. You can see here, click on the upload photo option and choose file here. That is the option here. Once you click on upload photo, so you are going to do for the member one by one. You are going to add your nominees. It can be multiple persons also, it can be a single person also. I will show you example where I am going to add 3 persons, but I am going to nominate PF 100% for one person. So this is the place you are going to choose file. Okay friends, once you choose file, upload the photo. 200 KB should be there. If it is more than 200 KB, you are going to use this technique. What is the technique? Please hold on. This is the website. I will give this link also in my video description. compressjpeg.com. This is a simple website where you are going to upload your photo and get it resized. Very simple. Okay friends, what you can do is, there is an option here, upload files for this website. I will show you that option. If you scroll down, you can see here, this is the option. First you are going to click on upload files, and then you are going to browse your photo of your nominee. Once the photo loaded, you can see here automatically it gets loaded, and how many percentage resize will happen will be written there. And after that just click on download blindly. Okay, first upload, second download, that's it. Your photo is resized, it will be less than 200 KB, and then you can use the same photo to get uploaded to the EPF web portal. Okay friends, so it's very simple. Once you select, you can, after uploading the photo, you have to save it. Come at the bottom of the page, and at the bottom of the page you are supposed to tick this declaration, and you are going to click on save family details. Do this for each and every member you are adding, because suppose connection lost or something, you are going to lose all your data you have typed in and also the photo you have attached. Okay, so this is the process. I have added one member, and after that click on add row if you wanted to add more members. Okay, so I am not taking much time for that. I have added 3 members one by one. Click on add row, click there, enter their Aadhaar number, name, address, gender, your relation, and the bank account details. If it is minor, you don't need to add bank account details, that is optional. but other details should be there. And after that, once you have done adding the member, just click on what you're going to do is save details, save family details, and you get a message like this. Each time when you save, you are supposed to click on this declaration, otherwise save will not work. Okay friends, so let us continue. So I have added like this 3 members. You can see here each member's photo also will appear there, their Aadhaar name, all the details are there. One member, when you add, it will come like this, and again you can click on add row and proceed with the next member and click the declaration and save. Okay, I have continued this process, and as you can see here, I have added 3 members. You see here left side there are 3 select box, right? So each is 1 member. So I had added 3 members here. That is the reason, as you can see here, select button 1 2 3 left side. See, this is the select button. So suppose I wanted to distribute my EPF. That means, say for example, you have some problem, you got some health issue, whatever, you could not withdraw your PF. So how the PF is distributed to your family members is decided by you. That's what you're going to do here. So suppose I have 3 members and I wanted to distribute my EPF in case I am not there, in my absence. I wanted to distribute the EPF to 2 of my family members, 50% each. I select 2 members here left side, and then I'm going to say the amount here. You can see here total amount of share. Say 50% for this person and 50% for this person. Say other person may be minor. Okay, so you don't want to distribute money to him. Or say in another example, I wanted to distribute only to 1 person. So I would say a safer side, if your family consists of minors, you please do not add them as share, because if they are minor, it might take time to get basically bank will not distribute money directly to minor, right? So again there will be legal things. So it's always safe to share percentage to the major people only, safer side. Okay, if you have wife and 2 kids, please mention wife as 100% share, or if you wanted to mention your kids also 50-50, that you can do, it's up to you. Okay, so let us continue. So this is the process. I am just mentioning first member and 100%. I click on save at the bottom and I get like this. I can now view my application, or I can now edit my application. You can see here these are the options, view or edit. Or finally I am going to e-sign. Once you click on e-sign, this is the process you are going to do. Finally click on e-sign and proceed, because I have allocated my nominees. Now I am going to e-sign and say that yes, I have signed. See, you cannot manually sign. This is the digital signing process. I am allocating this member 100%. You are going to e-sign your e-nomination. Okay, so before e-sign, when you click on proceed, you get a page like this. Here remember friends, you are supposed to click on get virtual ID, because this is e-signing is through Aadhaar. It's an Aadhaar based e-sign. You are using your Aadhaar e-sign technique to get it signed. But one more thing here, you are not going to enter your Aadhaar number here. Please remember, it will not work. You are supposed to enter your virtual ID with respect to your Aadhaar. So what is the process? Click on get virtual ID here. This is the process. Once you click on get virtual ID, it will take you to UIDAI, that means Aadhaar website by default. Then scroll down a little bit in this web portal. You get an option to generate your virtual ID. I will show you the option. See here, this is the option you are going to click here. Okay friends, virtual ID generation. Please click. This is the process everyone is going to follow. So click on this virtual ID, generate virtual ID method. After that, you get another window where you are going to enter your Aadhaar card, because you are going to generate your virtual ID based on Aadhaar card. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar card here, and then captcha whatever you are finding here, and click on send OTP button. So okay, once you click on send OTP, you will get an OTP like this. So this is the OTP you are going to get. After that, enter the OTP in the same UIDAI web page. Once you enter OTP and click on submit, you get something like this, where they will send you your virtual ID. You can see here I have just masked this, it's a personal information. So you get your virtual ID like this, and you are going to enter this virtual ID in the EPFO website. Okay friends, we are back to the EPFO page. Enter your virtual number here which you have received as an SMS, and click on click on verify button, just accepting the declaration here, and click on verify. This is the process for e-signing. Once it is done, your e-sign process is complete. So then you get a screen like this where it is under processing your request. Please wait for some time, and after that you are going to get a screen like this, PDF signed successfully. Okay, this is the message you are going to get, and that means your nomination things are done. Once you go back to your manage and e-nomination, you are supposed to get it like this, status nomination successful. Okay, and you can click here and find your nominee details also. If you have any problem, you can even raise online service, and you can go here and raise also grievance. You can raise a complaint, so and so problem is there, take a screenshot and send to them. It will be creating a ticket and they will resolve it for you. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe. Please let us know your problems. We can help you with whatever problem you face. Thank you so much. See you with another video.